Hello. All right, I wanted to show you this awesome little projector. So, to start off, it comes in a box. The box is over there, I don't have it, but it's really well packaged. It's got like the styrofoam around it so it doesn't get jostled, and you can put it right back in there for storage, which is really nice. So make sure and keep the box to keep it safe. So here it is, and it is Topbly, Topbly, T-O-P-B-L-Y, Topbly. That's the brand. So it's a mini projector. Here's the case for the lens. I just have it off, but I just wanted to show you that. So here it is. It's a pretty good size. It's not very big, which is really nice. It's considered a mini one. And this is what it looks like. And then we got the speaker at the back. It is a really good speaker. We've got the focuser, sorry. And then this kind of tilts the screen a little bit. You just play with those till you get the right settings. But I wanted to show you what else comes in the box before I show you all the hook-ins, which is really nice. There's lots of options. So, comes with a power cord, which is great. Needs a power cord. Then you've got the AV cord that plugs in. And then you also have the HDMI cord. So it comes with that. It also comes with a remote and your manual, which is really nice. So read that. Get it all set up. This is considered a smart projector. So they label it on there as Android TV. It has an Android TV. Basically, it's smart. So you don't need a Roku or a Fire Stick to get your videos on here, which is really nice. We have a different projector that I use for my sewing that we've used, and I always have to plug the Roku into it. So this is just really convenient. You can download all those apps. I think it says you can download up to 50,000 apps, which is a little bit overkill, but you know, you can have anything you want on there, which is awesome. So let me show you these. Okay, on this side is the plug to plug it in, and over here we have these different points. So hopefully you can see this. So you've got your phone, your headphone jack, or if you need extra sound, like sometimes we plug in extra speakers if there's a big group and it's a little louder, then we plug in extra speakers for that. It does go pretty loud, so it is good if you're just watching a movie at home. You don't need extra speakers for that. Then here's the AV in, and it also has a SD card, a micro SD card slot, so you can download your movies or your videos or whatever you want to do on that, your video games, whatever, on that, and put it in. You've got 2 HDMI ports, a USB, and a VGA, so if you want to hook in your computer to it, which is cool. It is really good resolution. It supports 4K, which is also really nice. And you can screencast from your phone. So that's also really cool. You just connect it to your Wi-Fi, and you go from there. So I'm going to hook it up, and I'm going to show you the quality of it on. All right, here I have it set up. Keep in mind we do have our Christmas tree on, so there is a little bit of light still in this room, and it still is super bright, which is really nice, and we'll show you that in just a second. I just want to talk quickly about mounting. On the bottom, it has a little screw-in knob that you can mount your what is this called? Tripod into. The tripod. There's tripods that you can get that come from the ceiling. Many different ways of mounting. That is not included, so make sure that you look into that and get what you need, or just set it on a pile of books or a table. That works just as well. There's also a little thing on the bottom that you can tilt it up and down if you needed. But yeah, so let me show you. This is the front screen. This is the home screen. I guess that's a better way of saying that. This is the home screen. So smart TV box. I'm moving, so that's why it's shaking. So we've already connected to our Wi-Fi, which is up there in the corner, as you can see. It does come with some preloaded apps. I'm going to show you their apps right here. So it has these apps on here, Netflix, some different ones. You can mirror cast right there if you want to do your phone. Right now I have my phone connected through YouTube, and I'll show you that in just a second. And then Play Store's right here, so you can download, like I said, up to 50,000 apps, which is really cool. So I'm going to go into YouTube, and I'm going to put this video on. I'm controlling it with my phone. It's on my phone, okay? You guys can see. All right, so just one second. Let me get it. No. It's going here. Let's get this on. Pause, my friend. friend. All right, and right here, I've already linked it, so there we go. Now it's coming back up. I'm recasting. Okay, let me get to the spot I need, because this is going to be a nice treat for some of you people. All right, I think my volume's all the way down. Let me turn the volume up. There's our volume marker right there. Okay, here we go. Isn't that just great? All right. Yes, this is great. Lip syncing at its finest right there. Okay, so like I said, I was controlling it on my phone, as you can see right here. So that's kind of fun. Oh my gosh. This poor guy. All right, so you can control it on your phone. You can control it with the remote as well. So it's super nice, different functions. It's good lighting. It's super bright because remember that we have lights on in the house. So it looks really good. It's a really good small projector, really great mini projector, good quality.